once you have a financial freedom, it gives you that kind of booster health, I would say.
True.
That was one of the prime reason when we met, Mohan.
Okay.
It's been a very good journey so far.
For me, in my growing years, the investment, what I have in my mind or what had in my mind, LIC, FD. I was not having the right path, or I was not having the right advisor to tell me, okay, boss, you are done, and you can retire today. And that confidence is given by Mr. Mohan Krishna.
We actually approached Mohan.
Yeah.
The kids were young, they were still studying in school. And that's when we got the analysis done by him.
At least, we were planning for close to 2 years of no revenue, running the company without revenue and running the family
Okay.
without having revenues, but expenses
Yes.
on top of that.
Yes.
So the plan that he suggested convinced me that I can get into it.
So after meeting Mohan, we could really know what kind of an inflation we are fighting
Yes.
and what should be our savings, So these are some of the things, which really changed our efforts in kind of saving, channelized, our financial method of savings and, grow.
The day I required something, which he fulfilled my requirement in 1 minute's time, gave me a trust and confidence on the company. Yes, this is the place where, because when you hand over your investment, you will not hand over to somebody without our trust.
Started from 2016 when I was in Wipro. We used to go to the playground and play cricket.
Okay.
There, Pramod, and he used to come in a bike and get my signatures, get me anything you want, and in checks also. He used to come there and collect it.
What is one sentence you'd want them to hear?
Plan well, seek advice and be disciplined. Definitely, you will reach your goal.
So it says whether the time decides how things happen or the leader decides how things happen. Finally, conclusion is the leader decides how things happen. Leader controls the time.
Yes. Yes.
So I do believe the leadership here makes the difference.